Today I'm going to talk about how sustainable landscape design can respond to the climate crisis while improving safety for both humans and wildlife using the HyperNature Wildlife Bridge as an example. Roadways often split apart wildlife habitats, break down natural systems, and put both animals and humans at risk. According to the American Society of Landscape Architects, in the United States, 1 to 2 million wildlife vehicle collisions occur every year, causing about $8 billion in accident-related damages. As the climate crisis accelerates, animals are forced to move more frequently due to habitat loss, changing temperatures, and disrupted ecosystems, which increase the likelihood of dangerous road crossings. A wildlife bridge is constructed specifically for animals, allowing them to safely cross busy highways without encountering traffic. These bridges are typically covered with natural vegetation that mimics the surrounding landscape, encouraging animals to use them as a part of their natural movement patterns rather than avoiding the structure. To address these issues, the Center for Large Landscape Conservation launched the Animal Road Crossing, or ARC, International Wildlife Crossing Infrastructure Design Competition. According to ARC New Thinking Initiatives, the goal was to rethink how transportation infrastructure can reconnect fragmented landscapes, support ecosystems, improve safety, and reduce construction costs. The competition focused on a site at Westfield Pass, Colorado, where conventional wildlife bridge construction was estimated to cost $12 million. In 2010, the competition brought in a plethora of submissions over international firms, but the jury unanimously selected the winning design, HyperNature, created by Michael van Velkenburg Associates at HNTB, stating that it had the capacity to transform what we think of as possible. The HyperNature design is a single-span wildlife bridge made from prefabricated concrete pieces that can be assembled in different widths depending on the wildlife and transportation needs. Instead of simply placing a concrete or wood bridge over the highway, the design extends natural landscape directly across the road, with multiple mediums layered across the structure, creating multiple wildlife corridors that allow a wide range of species to safely migrate. From a sustainability and climate perspective, the design supports ecosystem resilience. By reconnecting fragmented habitats, the bridge allows plants and animals to adapt their movement patterns as climate change alters ecosystems and migration routes. The preservation and expansion of tree canopy also helps stabilize local environments and supports long-term ecological health. In terms of maintenance, the landscape is designed to function as a self-sustaining system. Native vegetation reduces the need for irrigation, fertilizers, and constant human upkeep. This lowers the long-term resource use and ensures that the bridge remains effective without intense maintenance demands. The project also addresses waste and energy use through the modular construction approach. Using prefabricated concrete components minimizes construction waste, reduces on-site disturbance, and lowers the energy required during building. Because the system is modular and adaptable, it can expand and change over time instead of being demolished or rebuilt, significantly reducing future material waste. Finally, the bridge impacts energy use and sustainability through its function. By reducing wildlife vehicle collision, it lowers the energy and resources spent on emergency response, vehicle repair, and traffic disruption. This makes the bridge not just an ecological solution, but a sustainable transportation investment. Overall, the HyperNature Wildlife Bridge demonstrates how sustainable landscape design can address the climate crisis by restoration natural systems, reducing waste and maintenance needs, and creating adaptable infrastructure that benefits both wildlife and human communities. This is my drawing and depiction of what a wildlife crossing would look like and how I would display my knowledge of a wildlife cross bridge. And here are my resources. Thank you!